Good morning class. Today in this video I will start book Footprints chapter 6 Making of Scientist. Theme of the story. This story is about a scientist named Richard Albright. In this story we find the description how he became a scientist. Albright was everything for his mother after the death of his father. He used to get top grade in the school. When he was in second standard, he had collected all 25 species of butterfly found around his hometown. From the book Travel of Monarch X, he came to know how the monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. Monarch is the species of the butterflies. When he was in 8th standard means 8th class, he tried to find the cause of disease that used to kill nearly all the monarchs. His trial of this experiment won him a prize. In the second year of his high school, Richard began to search an unknown hormone in the gold spots of butterflies. In his senior year, he proved that the cells of monarch would develop into a normal butterfly's wing only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spots. This project won the first place for zoology at international fair, and he discovered how cell could read the blueprint of its DNA. This is the theme of the story. Now I will explain the short summary of the story. Short summary. Richard Albright's habits and achievements. Richard Albright was only child of his parents. They lived in Pennsylvania, USA. He was everything for her mother after husband's death. He did not like to play football or basketball, but he collected things. He collected rocks, fossils and coins. He started collecting butterflies when he was in second standard. At the age of 22, he discovered how cells work. It was his first achievement, and it started with butterflies. Albright's mother as his inspiration. Inspiration means prerna. Albright's mother loved him very much, and she always encouraged him for his habits and activities. She took him on trips. She also brought him telescope, microscope and cameras. When he was only little boy, she was his best teacher and best friend. Butterflies collection, tagging and rears. By the time he was in second grade, he had collected all 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. His mother brought him a book named The Travel of Monarch X. That book told him how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. At the end of the book, the readers were asked to tag butterflies for research. It was being done by Dr. Frederick A. Urquhart of Toronto University, Canada. This book, Travel of Monarch X, was written by Dr. Frederick A. Urquhart, who was the professor in the Toronto University, Canada. Ebright started tagging monarch butterflies, chasing them one by one, won't able one to catch many. So Richard Ebright started to catch female monarch and take their eggs. It was done in his basement of the house. When they became adult, he would tag the butterflies' wings and let them go. Attended a county science fair. When Richard Ebright was in 7th grade, he entered a county science fair. There he sewed slides of a frog tissue, but he lost. In the first attempt, he lost the county science fair. Now he decided to do a real experiment, and his subject was the insect work. Ebright's research on monarch. When Ebright was in 8th grade, he started to try to find the cause of viral disease. It killed all the monarch caterpillars. He thought the disease might be carried by a beetle. So he raised caterpillars in the presence of beetles, but he could not find the result, although his trial of his experiment won him a prize. Ebright's next project on Vasrai butterflies. Now Ebright started to work on a project that Vasrai butterfly copy monarch butterfly. Yeah, look like monarch butterflies. Why? The theory was that Vasrai butterflies copy monarch because birds do not like to eat monarch. Although Vasrais taste good to birds, he found that a starling would eat all the monarch. Starling, what is starling? Starling is a bird. This project got first prize in zoology division and got third prize overall in the county science fair. Ebright's research on hormones. In the second year of his high school, Richard Ebright began to search an unknown hormone in the gold spots of butterflies. In his senior year, he proved that cells of a monarch would develop into normal butterfly's wing only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spots. The project won the first place for zoology at the international fair. As a result, he could spend some time at the laboratory of the Department of Agriculture. There, he could identify the chemical structure of the hormone. While studying the X-ray photograph of hormone, he found it another important thing about it. He discovered how the cell could read the blueprint of DNA. Ebright's highest honor and advantage of his theory. Richard Ebright graduated from Harvard University with highest honors. He stood second in the class, 1510 students. He also became a graduate student researcher at Harvard Medical School. There he began experimenting to test his theory. If the theory proved correct, it would be a big step towards understanding life process. This would be a new preventing types of cancer and other diseases. Ebright as a scientist. Albright was competitive right from the beginning. His social studies teacher, Mr. Richard Wheeler, praised him too much, and Albright had all qualities that makes a true scientist. This is the short summary of the chapter Making of Scientist.